Richards, good ball for him too. Train getting a little tip. He knocks it away. Parkin. Dugan. Green. With. And he scored! Peter Webb comes on as the substitute and scores just like Dugan did last week. And Dugan had a part to play in that one. 25 minutes into the first half, substitute Peter Webb makes it 1-0 Wolves. Dugan in a chase with Green. Took a deflection, comes to Richards, and number 11 was in with a shot which was Bailey, and he could have scored. Steve Bailey certainly had himself a golden opportunity there. Parkin, that's a good one.